Om Sai Ram to all you Baba lovers out there. How have you been doing? Today, when I was just sitting for Baba's readings, I just felt I should tell you all to donate some food to poor people. Stray dog, most of you always donate on Thursdays whenever I have said. But today, along with that, if you can donate to some stray person or to some poor need, not stray person, I'm sorry, to some needy, and if you can feed them, I think Baba wants you to feed them today. Reason I don't know, I just tell you all whatever I feel, when I'm pulling the cards or when I am thinking about Baba and just taking the cards out. um, Today I was actually speaking, not speaking. I usually don't pick calls much. So people, when they message me, then I just reply to them. One of my students, very old student of mine, she told me, so much faith I have in Baba. Why does he take away everything from me? Why does he not give me what I want? So I asked her, what did he take away from you? She said, Didi, all I wanted was a good husband. He took away from my husband from me. I said, okay. And she said, fine. I accepted it with grace, and I thought it was all for good. And all I wanted was a small home, and I still don't have a home. I wanted, she was talking about two, three things that she wanted, and I said, and she said, Baba took it away from me. So I told her, always remember one thing. If Baba is taking away anything from you, he is definitely going to give it back to you 10 times more, because maybe that what you wanted was not good for you, and that is the reason he took it away from you. So be prepared. He is bringing in multiple times of happiness. It is just that some time is needed. So maybe if you today, some of you feel that Baba is not giving you and is taking away things from you, is taking away your happiness or peace of mind, it's not like that. He is coming back with a beautiful, bountiful blessings, and also with abundance in your life. So let's see what Baba says. The Sadguru. Baba is the true Guru who takes on the suffering of his devotees. He will grant relief. See, even here in the card, he says that he's taking away from you because maybe that is not good for you. That will give you a lot of hurt in the future. And he will give you relief. He will give you the happiness that you desire. So let's see. I felt like pulling the first card today. I don't know, the first card is calling me telepathy. Baba can communicate with anyone, anytime, anywhere. Look for a sign. So again, if you see the cards, even the cards are saying, I am trying to tell you something which you're not understanding, so you need to understand that and you need to work on it so that you will get what you desire. Sometimes Baba has its own ways of saying. So maybe today, in the starting, I said feed some poor person. Maybe Baba comes in the form of that poor person to take the food from you and to take away your sorrows and give you blessings multifold. Have a beautiful and an amazing Baba blessed day ahead. Om Sai Ram.